Hello YouTube, welcome to this video, and today's is Zippo lighter, but this one is a present. A big thank you goes to John Ruler, who did this as part of the pack swap, and as you see it was from the Marlboro country store. Marlboro, the iconic cigarette. Look at this lighter. It's got the Marlboro man on a horse, made of solid brass, and is absolutely beautiful. Solid brass windproof lighter, and of course a Zippo guarantee. That's what the front looks like. And the back. There, the hinge, the side, the top, Zippo mark down there, and finally said lighter. Thank you so much, John, for this iconic lighter, which is going on my Zippo shelves, which I'm about to show you in a minute. Okay. I did try and Google more information. All I know is that lighter came out in 1995 and is available on eBay, or other websites are available, and in the description is all the other Zippos I've done videos about. I love my Zippo lighters, and thank you so much for this beautiful lighter, John. What follows is my Zippo shelves. Enjoy. Stay lit.